Hello! Do you want to have more French tourists to your country to use your travel services and products? If the answer to this question is yes, I have something special for you. The inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is the marketing of content. It exists for already more than 10 years, I think, and since there was Web 2.0, when internet became much more interactive than it was before, and it is a very specific marketing tool and very, very performant to be used if you are a travel professional and if you want to attract more tourists, specifically French tourists. My name is Albena Gajanova. I am the president of the Travel Experts. What is the Travel Experts exactly? First of all, it is a very wide world network of travel professionals. Second, it is a supplier guide, a ranking and rating digital media, a collaborative one, because the different rates and ranks which are given to the different travel providers, which are referenced by the travel experts, there are more than 2,000 actually, are given by our members. That is why this is collaborative. It is a kind of a B2B TripAdvisor. And on the third place, the Travel Experts is also a tourism marketing agency, strategy and also operational marketing. So I will tell you something about inbound marketing on content marketing today, which is something which is very, very, very essential if you want to have really more travel partners working with you and for you, and also more tourists to your country to use your travel products and services. I'll give you my 3 reasons why you should use inbound marketing if you do not use it yet and if you want to improve it, and also the 3 points to which you have to pay attention using this inbound marketing. Well, the first reason why you should use inbound marketing is because it is cost effective. But let me tell you just first, I forgot about it, just to tell you what is inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is pull marketing, You don't have to push people to buy your products, to pick up your phone, to call them, to go to exhibitions, to also to go to different kind of appointment rendezvous where you have to sell your products and services if you are a hotel or if you are an inbound agency, for example, or even if you are a tourist office, for example, you have to sell your destination. This is inbound marketing. You have to pull people to you. It's a pull technique because you create content. You put this content on the internet. What is this content? This can be articles on your website or on your blog. This can be also videos on your YouTube channel. This can be also podcasts, audio, if you do not like video, for example, and you prefer just to talk. Then you can do these podcasts and put them on special platforms so that people can listen to you. These are also images. It is all kind of content, in fact, video, text, images, sound, audio. So all this content, you can put it on the internet. And if you do it in a clever way, there are some specific rules to be observed, then people will find you. You will have traffic to this content. And first, these people will find your content. These will be leads or prospects. And then gradually, because you will be someone who is producing very regularly this content, people will become your partners or clients. So, inbound marketing, first reason, it is very cost effective. You do not have to spend a fortune in buying advertising, for example, or also going to exhibitions. You have to go sometimes to exhibitions, but exhibition is a huge budget sometimes. Especially if you are an exhibitor and you have to buy a stand, a booth to be present there. But if you're doing this inbound marketing, okay, it's cost effective. You have to produce this content, but it doesn't cost that much. You can produce it by yourself or you can ask someone to help you with this content. But normally, what you have to pay these persons to produce this content for you is nothing compared with other marketing budgets as exhibitions and as advertising, for example. So, cost effective. The second reason is that it stays on the internet forever. I mean forever, as long as your blog or your website is there or your YouTube channel is there, your content is there, and it can attract traffic every and each day for years and for years. It is not like an exhibition or an advertising which lasts for a given period of time. Third reason, it is good both for B2B and B2C. What do I mean by this? B2B, you know, it's a marketing strategy when you want to attract partners, travel partners in different countries. For example, in France, you would like to have some good French partners, travel partners here, and you have to convince them. You have to build a trust relationship with them so that you can work together regularly. B2C is when you go directly to the consumer, when you speak directly to the final consumer clients which will come to your country to use your travel products and services. So, inbound marketing works for both of these. I mean, B2B travel professionals who are looking also for partners in different countries, inbound agencies and hotels, which is something I know it's because I know many French travel professionals who are looking in many countries to find reliable inbound agencies, good hotels where they can send their own clients. So, by producing this content, videos, texts, images, audio, the French travel partners' potential will see all this, and you can start gradually to build this very important relationship of trust. All right? Same thing with B2C. Someone who wants to come to your country, he will see 1, 2, 3 times your videos, your texts, and then he or she will be convinced that you are the good agency, the good hotel for him or for her to come to. Okay, now let's see the three points to pay attention to. First, this content should be a relevant content. It should be something interesting for people. So when you are producing this content, it is very important to put yourself in the skin of the person who is going to read your article or to watch your video. This is very important because, and also second thing is not to sell your agency, not to sell your inbound agency, not to sell your hotel, for example. This should be done in a more subtle way. If the person looking at your content is convinced that it is good content, you are going to sell to her in a very subtle way what you want, your hotel or your services. But you don't have to be pushy. This is a pull technique. You have to give just a content which is valuable, which is interesting for the person, and then he or she will decide by herself, by himself, to buy your products and services. Third point to pay attention to, be regular. Produce regularly this content. At least once per week. Publish an article, publish a video, publish a podcast, publish images on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest also, on these social media. So this content can be on your blog or on YouTube, but also on the other social media which I didn't mention before. So, 3 reasons to use. This is cost effective, it is valuable for B2B and B2C, it stays on the internet forever to generate traffic, and the 3 points to pay attention to, this should be relevant content, no sales, no direct sales, no direct selling, very in a subtle way, and also regularly, produce it very regularly. Okay, so this is about inbound marketing. I think that this is a very, very, very performant technique and hope that you are using this one, or if you do not, I encourage you very strongly to start using it. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube chain, to the Travel Expert chain, to receive regularly these videos, and also somewhere around this video you can find some links to the programs that the Travel Experts are proposing, actually training program, coaching program, and also some marketing packs if this is of interest for you. Thank you for watching this, and I wish you all the best from all my heart, from the bottom of my heart, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.